Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the most talked about AI voice dictation tools available right now, Willow AI, also known as Willow Voice. This tool promises to help you dictate text faster than typing, whether it's emails, articles, Slack messages, or just general writing. And it does that with AI-powered intelligence behind it. So stick around because we're breaking it all down from overview to pricing, features as well as the pros and cons. Let's get started. Willow AI is an AI-powered voice dictation tool designed to turn your spoken words into polished, structured text on the fly. If you're someone who writes a lot, be it emails, documents, chat messages, notes, Willow is built to slash the time you spend typing by letting you speak instead. And it perfectly formats what you say into well-structured, readable words. The bold tagline you will see on their homepage is, "Stop typing, start writing 5 times faster with voice." Right away that tells you the vision, to replace slow typing with fast speech-to-text that feels natural and intuitive. One of the things Willow emphasizes is that it's not just a basic speech-to-text, it's AI-powered. That means it does more than copy your speech. It also handles grammar, punctuation, tone, context, notes, formatting, and it adapts to your style over time so your text starts to sound like you, not a robot. Plus, it works in virtually any app where you type, from Gmail to Slack, Notion to Word docs. You don't need to switch windows or export anything, just hit your hotkey and start talking. Now, let us talk about the main features of Willow. AI-powered dictation. Willow uses artificial intelligence to listen to your speech and convert it into text instantly. But the magic is that it doesn't just transcribe, it corrects grammar and punctuation and adapts the phrasing to be natural and readable. Context awareness. It can recognize names, industry terms, and proper nouns so you don't constantly have to correct it. Style matching. It learns your tone and writing style over time so your dictated text doesn't just look good, it sounds like you. Voice commands. You can speak format commands like new line, bullet point, or dash, and Willow will format the text accordingly in real time. Quiet mode. This is a really user-friendly feature. Even if you whisper, Willow can pick it up and convert it accurately. Cross-app compatibility. Whether you're writing in Gmail, in Slack, Notion, or any other text editor, Willow works everywhere you can type. Privacy-first architecture. Willow emphasizes privacy and security, giving you control over your data and minimizing what's stored externally. Device support. Right now, Willow works on Mac, iPhone, and Windows, so you're not stuck on one platform. All these features together help make dictation smoother, smarter, and faster than what you normally get with built-in OS dictation tools. What is the pricing like? You can start free and upgrade anytime. No credit card is required if you want to try free. Just download the app and you can get started. Of course, there are limitations on the free version, but to upgrade, there's the individual plan at $12 per month, there's a team plan at $10 per month, there's the custom pricing for enterprises. What are the pros and cons of using Willow? First, the pros. It is super fast and accurate compared to built-in dictation and corrects grammar and formatting itself. It works anywhere you type. That's a big productivity boost. It learns your style and gets better over time. It's excellent for writers, for developers, professionals, students, basically anyone who writes often. And the quiet mode and voice commands are thoughtful additions. How about the cons? The free tier's weekly word limits can be limiting if you speak a lot, and to unlock the full experience, it requires paid subscription. So, is Willow AI or Willow Voice the best voice dictation app out there? Well, here's how I see it. Speed and accuracy absolutely set it apart. It's way better than built-in operating system tools and far more polished than generic speech-to-text. Also, the AI formatting and style learning means that you spend less editing time and get better final text. And the wide app compatibility makes it truly seamless. But if you're on a tight budget and you want fully free unlimited use, then the paid tier becomes necessary for power users. So the short answer is yes, Willow is one of the best AI dictation tools in 2025 for productivity, accuracy, and real-world usability, especially for professionals and frequent writers. And that's it on the review of Willow. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Speechly, Dragon Naturally Speaking, and Google Docs Voice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.